Omukolo gw'okuyozaayoza Mao gwabaddewo akawungeezi k'eggulo ku wooteeri ya Serena era nga gwetabiddwako abakungu ab'enjawulo okuva mu gavumenti ne mu kibiina kya Democratic Party. Mao baamusibidde entanda okulaba ng'ensonga za bannabyabufuzi abali mu makomera ku misango egy'enjawulo bafuna obwenkanya.
Must show us human rights by starting with these poor fellows who are in jail, who they claim are there because of wrong reasons. And if it is possible, give them bail. Let them go home. What will those two guys do? Nothing. Segrinya and Sechawanyana, they are poor fellows.
Kuno bagasseeko n'abo abaakwatibwa mu biseera eby'okukuba akalulu k'obwa pulezidenti nabo bayimbulwe okuva mu makomera.
And therefore His Excellency should try and understand. And the other ones who are so many in jail, because they were enticed in thinking that you can go and play around with the policemen, and they fought policemen or army men, bring them out, teach them, tell them no, this is not the way they do it.
Amyuka Speaker wa Parliament Thomas Tayebwa yategeezezza nga Parliament bwegenda okuganyulwa mu kulondebwa kwa Mao.
We celebrated and we said we have someone who is going to mentor our own young people in Parliament, but also mentor us. We also need mentoring. You know, some of us parachuted into these positions. And you've been given a sensitive ministry where many people believe we need serious reforms. This is the Umbilical Code. From the electoral reforms, which we've been talking about, people quarreling about, now we've given it to you. If we don't get electoral reforms and political reforms, Mao will be the one to blame.
It appears to me genuine counsel is lacking among our members of cabinet. That's why today the president says this. When the president changes, they all change. I want you to come and give our chief executive and indeed members of cabinet genuine counsel.
We know why the public has behaved the way you have. The smaller public. It is because of the low relative political maturity of the masses. And Mr. President, this is what you are going to handle.
Mao mu kwogera kwe yategeezezza ng'okukola endagaano ne Museveni bw'eri entandikwa eggwanga gye libadde lirindiridde ku nkyukakyuka mu bukulembeze awatali kuyiwa musaayi.
You may die like Gaddafi. You know, falling from a tall tree is not easy. So the third group to which I belong says that let us put a ladder there. Now that ladder is an institutional ladder. So that if there is somebody who wants to go on top of that tree, there's a way in which they can go nicely and peacefully. Also, the one who has finished his job up there can now come down also in an orderly fashion.
Mao eggulo lwe yakwasiddwa ofiisi ye mu butongole okutandiika emirimu. Aaron Mukama, NTV Kusawemu.